I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by getting essentials ready. The Cimb app installed, logged in, and camera permission granted. Once done, make sure your account has enough funds. This avoids failed authorizations. Next, approach the merchant QR and hold your phone steady 6 to 12 inches away. The app reads codes best with good light. You do this early to streamline payment. By starting now, you save time at checkout and reduce the chance of errors when you scan. You open the Cimb payment function and select Scan QR. Align the code in frame until the app detects it. Once visible, confirm the merchant name and the displayed amount. This prevents overcharges. Then choose your authorization method. Secure 2U, PIN, or an OTP sent to your phone. Approve the transaction when prompted. The app processes quickly, but make sure you see the confirmation screen. If you do not assume success. Check your transaction history right away. After approval, wait for the success message and save the receipt or screenshot for your records. Once done, check your transaction history to ensure the amount cleared. This confirms settlement. If payment fails, first verify your balance, app version, and mobile data or Wi-Fi. Retries often resolve intermittent issues. A specific fix for scan problems is to clean the lens, increase ambient light, and hold the phone 6 to 12 inches from the QR. This fixes most camera recognition errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.